Welcome back from break, everyone. The father and son duo produce high-quality cotton with consistent yields, which earned them the 2023 Farm Press Cotton Foundation High Cotton Award for the Southwest region. I was able to learn more about the Williams family farm's cotton success as we celebrate agriculture here on the High Plains.
3 brothers and their sister decided to leave Oklahoma and move to Farwell in search of a more profitable farming operation.
Their story begins in the early 1920s just south of Farwell, Texas.
We farm around 20,000 acres or so between rented and ground that we own. Both here, there's 4 counties here that we farm in, and then we have a farm up in Dalhart that my uncle and dad and I farm.
In the 1990s into the 2000s, Mark Williams would travel to Austin and Washington, D.C. to make his voice heard and to fight for cotton, which included the 1996 Farm Bill.
I graduated from college and moved home. My dad, he took a large role in both regionally with Plains Cotton Growers and then National Cotton Council. That opened my eyes to how important it was to have people like my dad to advocate for cotton.
They raise 8,000 to 10,000 head of cattle a year for their wheat stalker operation and produce corn, wheat, sorghum, milo, and of course, cotton. With cotton, it can be a challenging crop, especially in the High Plains.
We've had to cut our acres significantly just to make sure we have enough water, just trying to no-till and do the things that we can do to save, as many things we can do to save the moisture.
One technique that has helped has been no-till farming.
Well, we try to do a lot of no-till farming. Just plant in the residue of the previous crop to keep it from blowing.
Despite the challenges, the key to their production success has been water, variety selection, and timeliness. This has earned Williams Family Farms the 2023 High Cotton Award of the Southwest region.
It's an honor for my dad especially. It's his award. He's had a rough go the last few years, but he's very positive, and so it meant a lot for those guys to nominate him and our family.
Whether it's conserving moisture, planting phytogen and Delta Pine varieties, using their 16-row 40-inch John Deere planter to cover acres, or even having great employees, passion and effort is what makes a difference at Williams Family Farms.
You know, farming's a great lifestyle. Growing cotton is a challenge, but it's a very rewarding crop. One of the reasons our farm is so successful is our people. I have the best people in the world, and that makes a big difference.
High Cotton Award winners from the other Cotton Belt regions were Rusty Darby from the Southeast region, Cody Beavers from the Mid-South region, and Aaron Barcelos from the Western region. And for more information about the Williams Family Farm story and extras, head on over to myhighplains.com.